What's up, guys? It's that time of year. The bass are pre-spawn. We're gonna see if they're gonna start eating. Let's get them. Got one.
Really?
Yeah. Nice. Decent one.
That was a good hook set too. I felt him.
I'm filming right there too. Oh shoot, he just broke my line. Okay guys, there we go. It's like my second or third cast. Felt him hit it. Gave him a second. He was on. Let's make sure he gets back. Not too big, not too bad though. There we go. Got one. Oh, that's a decent one. Jumping quite a bit for spring.
Wow.
Get up here.
That thing doesn't have a very big mouth for being decent.
Yeah, dude, that thing jumped like crazy. That was awesome.
Has a mouth of a small mouth, but looks nothing like it.
Yeah. There we go, guys. Another one. Smaller than the last one, but he's definitely healthier. Real fat and stuff for his size. Probably getting some good minnows and bugs off the top, I guess. It's good new. Normally you have to work harder for him in here in the spring. Like a lot harder. A lot of time, 2 fishes in hours. Nothing happens, you know? I'm working it like a foot or 2 off the bottom. Sometimes it hits bottom. I'm working in off the bottom, in 1 or 2 foot range, just around there. Got another double back-to-back cast, dude. He's good. Yep. Oh my gosh, let's go. Nah, he's a little bigger.
A little bigger,
Yeah. Barely though.
Those 14, 15, 13-ish inches.
Dude, I'm hooking them good too.
Back up there. There we go.
Oh, that's perfect, Nick. Guys, 2 casts. I've taken probably 5 casts today and 3 fish. That one you just saw, this is the cast after. Like, I'm not even joking with you guys. I mean, got one. Got him. He's so little. Oh, he's running at me. Never mind.
What is this? This never happens.
I know, guys. This pond is not even. This pond is like one of the toughest spring ponds I know of, and we're just cranking them out here. This is number 4 for me. I mean, this guy is a chunk. Look how he's pretty short. He's so healthy though, like extremely healthy.
Wow.
See you. We're packing it up. We're gonna move spots. I'm thinking we're gonna fish at that house there with the black fence, or this house here with the pier where I caught one yesterday. Oh, I don't know. See you guys there. Guys, what? He hit it right here.
That's probably like a 1.5 pound sunfish.
When I saw it come up, I thought it was a crappie. Those are pretty rare in here, but this is like, oh my gosh.
What kind is it?
It's one of those long ears, I think.
Yeah.
Or no, I mean red ears that I meant. Guys, look at this thing. This is probably over a pound. Look at this. Here, Nick, will you grab the camera and show it to them compared to my hand? Like, you can't see my hand under here. Ow. Guys, look at this. You can't even, can you see my hand? My hand is spread out, and you can, like, as far as I can, you can barely see my thumb above the fins.
That's probably like at least probably 10-inch.
This is the guy that we need to bring us some bait fish, so we're going to get him back. Oh, my, on a Ned rig. Look at the mouth, though, guys. Like, that looks like a crappie. This is insane. Here, actually, I'm out of skill. Turn it on. This is a 1.4 pound red ear sunfish. Absolutely huge. I mean, I'll take it. I'm happy to catch anything. It's a fish. Oh, gosh. There's one. That might be. Yeah, no, that feels like a bass. Not really fighting too great, are you, bud? Oh, no, there's just a right there. Choked the Ned, boys. He's gone. Didn't really feel like a bass hit. It felt like it could have been a bluegill hitting it out of its territory where it's going to bed. Or like a crappie or something. But, I don't know.
You got it?
I don't know. I hooked him like right in the toughest spot. Oh, there we go. Okay, guys, there we go. That might be the littlest rascal of the day, I'd say. Nice and fat, though. Probably choking on some minnows. I mean, I thought it was like a sunfish or a crappie because there's a very scarce population of crappie in here. But the best spot to catch them, probably right around here, I would say. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, probably.
Like, if you have a chance, it's going to be around here, but it's not like you can target them or anything. Bite?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Got the camera.
Not fighting very well.
Well, that's a nice one, though.
Why
got
is he
him?
not fighting?
I don't know. He's a nice one, though. That's a 1.5, 2.
Yeah.
I'd probably give him 1.75 or 2, probably. You got him good.
Right there.
Good job, Nick. First of the day.
Come on. His mouth is so bony.
By the way, guys, Nick changed baits right there. Got the little curly tail on there. Pretty big bait. I also changed. Oh, there you go. It's a nice fish.
Pretty fat. First of the day.
All right.
Looking for another one, but I already got one after probably about an hour or so.
Yeah.
Get him back in.
Good job, Nick. Okay, guys, I also switched. I got a little rooster tail on here. I don't know. We'll see if we can do anything with it. Hope catch you guys when we get another one. Nice catch, though, Nick.
Like right there, I thought it was a bass. I thought it was a and then it was just a tap, tap, just sat there, and then he did it, he chowed it, and I just
Was that a spot? Oh, no, that's not. Kind of looked like it in the water, though. There we go, guys. Got a little dinker, same spot as Nick. First fish on the rooster tail. Haven't used it for more than probably 3 minutes. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, a little bass, but very healthy. You can see right there. Nice and chubby. For probably an hour, though, I bet. I'm just gonna sit.
my back hurts. Been standing.
guys. I think it was the sitting down is pretty lucky. Yeah, I think that's what it is, don't you, Nick?
What?
Oh, one just hit the top right by you. Tried to eat one of those bugs there. There we go, guys. Little largemouth bass. Another healthy one. Catching a lot of these little healthy guys today on the rooster tail. Oh my gosh. Dude, I saw him eat it. That was so cool. He choked it. That thing's gone. The thing's gone. He's fighting. He's moving this way. I don't know why. Oh, he's a nice one. You can see him out there.
Oh, a little jump.
Ooh. He's a real good fighter. Look at that thing. You can just see the spinner barely hanging out his mouth. He's, oh crap. Oh my gosh. I didn't even give him a second to eat it and it's gone, guys. Look at this. He absolutely inhaled it. My gosh. Here, let me clear out the seaweed. Now you can see that. Look at this right here. This thing is gone. The spinner is the only thing hanging out of his mouth. Let me unhook him and get him back. This is a pretty good one, actually, too. That's a decent one. Probably in the top 4 for today. One just busted right there, actually.
Probably that big bluegill.
Yeah, we saw a big bluegill here, and I was casting out trying to catch him just for fun. Oh God, I saw him eat it too. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's stuck in a tree. Yeah. Dude, he came right next to the shore. These guys are absolutely choking it. Look, it's gone. This thing is gone. Guys, this thing is absolutely gone. I saw it. Look at that. It's gone. You can't even see it. Here, Lon. I'm going to grab the camera just to show you guys. This is gone. Absolutely choked it down his throat. Okay, guys. Here, Nick, can you hold this real quick?
What if I caught it?
Okay, guys. There we go. I saw him come like 10 feet from the bank and just crank it.
That was.
I had a lot of fun today. Great video. Caught, I think, like probably 6 or 7. And then that huge sunfish, that was crazy. I think Nick caught 1 or 2. But here's a little sneak peek for a possible video. We got this little raft here. And I think we might go back out on that pond and go crappie fishing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next one.